We're here at the 2022 Southampton Boat Show on the first day today. This is the idealboat.com display. Behind me we have the full Saxdor range and the full Finmaster range. We've got the GTC 320 over here, which we launched last year. Behind us we've got the award-winning Saxdor 320 GTO. Starting at the back there, then we have the Saxdor 200 three-seat layout, the original. We then have the new six-seat layout here, and then we've got a world premiere here at the moment, which is the all-new Saxdor 270 GTO. Like I said, this is the first time it's been seen. We've got the four-seat Saxdor 200. Amazing value and great boats in rough water. Another world premiere we have here today, the all-new Saxdor 205. Got the six-seat layout, there are other seating options available. This console opens up at the front, got a toilet and a sink in there.
Hi, I'm Ryan from Ideal Boat and we're on board the Finmaster stand. So here we've got the R5 with the Yamaha 100, six-person capacity. Here we have the Finmaster T9, the flagship model, fitted with twin 300 Yamahas. Here from today until the 25th, Sunday. We've got 14 boats on display, so please come on down and take a look.